Welcome to DiaTrac, the smarter way to import thousands of diamonds using Excel or CSV. To import multiple diamonds into DiaTrac, go to the diamond entry screen and choose Data Transfer, then Import. Start by mimicking the layout of your Excel or CSV file. Match each column to its corresponding DiaTrac field. For example, if the first column is stone number, select stone number. Next is shape, color, clarity, and so on. You can adjust the order of fields easily. Just select and move them up or down to match your Excel structure. Once your format is set, save it with any name, for example, Test 2. You can create unlimited formats for different suppliers or purposes. Now select your saved import format and pick the matching file from your computer. Choose the vendor, and enter the bill or memo in number. DiaTrac can automatically generate payables or memo entries based on this. If you only want to upload the inventory without creating any financial entries, simply uncheck these options. Once ready, click Upload. DiaTrac will bring all diamonds into inventory, aligned with your fields and costing. Make sure your file is clean and formatted properly. Errors usually come from mismatched columns or invalid field data. Once successfully uploaded, your stones are now live in the DiaTrac system, ready to be priced, certified, and sold.